Here we have the new Stihl FSA120 bicycle handle brush cutter. So first of all, I'm not paid by Stihl or sponsored by them. However, Stihl have sent this machine to me for me to review for them. I've had the machine approximately 4 months, so my opinion is based over that time period. So first of all, I'll show you an overview of the machine, and then you'll see some footage and my opinion of it. So first of all, the handles. To simply adjust it, you undo that screw and then you can easily fold the handles backwards and forwards to suit the operator. And for storage or travel, the same screw, you just loosen a little bit more and then retighten, and obviously the reverse to set the machine up. Machine runs on the AP batteries. So this is a 2-speed machine, fast and eco. Like a traditional 2-cycle machine, you have the top safety switch, but on this you also have a second safety button before you can use the trigger. It also has a variable trigger as well. And once you let go, you're locked out and you have to repress the button again. To change the speeds, you simply press the switch up, and then you've been fast. So highest position is full power, fast if you like, and the low position is eco or slow. Where you attach your harness, the attachment point is very adjustable. Simply undo the screw, just helps with the balance. And the machine itself weighs 4.5 kilos without the battery. I believe also, because it's a bicycle handle machine, it comes as standard with a blade, but Stihl sent me the bump feed head for it, as I specifically asked for that. So over the last 4 months using the machine, as and when it was required, using the shoulder strap that comes with it, it's been perfectly adequate for me, as I've only used it for 1, maybe 2 hours at a time at most. If you was going to use this for half day or full day, I think you definitely have to have a correct full harness for it, purely for comfort. I know one of the big questions would be runtime. Now obviously I'm using this machine in my normal working day, so it's difficult for me to keep track of minutes and watch my watch, but you do get a feeling for these sort of things. So with a strimmer head, and I generally ran a AP 500S in the machine, I think I was getting around about an hour of runtime. Also with the machine, you've got eco, which I call slow, and fast. And I found probably about 70-80% of the time I just ran the machine on eco. It had the speed, had the power. Odd occasion I'd put up the high power, the fast, but generally the eco was more than enough. And also this particular spring, it was extremely damp, and this machine had been used constantly in the rain. No issues at all with the wet weather. I would say this machine on weekly, fortnightly and even a month's worth of growth of lush grass coped perfectly well. Perfect machine for it. What the machine is designed to do and the size of the machine for its application, I found it did exactly what it's meant to do. I had no issues with the machine at all in any form. It's actually a very convenient machine. I do actually have an old 2-cycle bicycle handle strimmer, and older machines, especially when you've got a cold start, can be a bit of a faff. And the convenient thing about this machine, slap a battery in, away you go. All in all, it's been a very, very capable little machine, and I've quite enjoyed using it. So I hope that was of help and interest. If there's any questions, please comment, and I will try to answer them as best I can. So thank you for watching, and hope you enjoyed. Thank you.